what a lovely day. La la la. Whoa, what's that sound? Wow. La. Where are you? Wow. Who do these footprints belong to? Oh, wow. Big friend. It was you. Come on, big friend. Let's play ball. Again! Again! This is awesome! Wow, your trunk is so strong. What else can your trunk do, my friend? Did you know? An elephant's trunk can smell, drink water, and gently hold things, just like it's saying hello with kindness. Come on, big friend, let's explore together. I can jump. Come on, big friend. Let's go!
Come on, big friend. Let's keep exploring. Splish! Splash! Splash! Squish! What's that?
Elephants cover their subs with mud to protect their skin from the sun and tiny insects.
Wow! Haha! You got my nose! Come on!
Wow, that looks so much fun! You got me! Every animal is special. Let's protect nature together. See you next time!